The Power of Eight welcomes you all to this convention in which 8 people will question before you a web of existential and scientific theories. As you all may know, the laws of physics makes us feel the wearing effect of time. Yet technology enables us to capture moments and information through photography, in which time can stand still infinitely.
Time is so obvious in our lives, yet no one questions it.
Well, we walk around a cycle. 1 step, 2 steps.
Where's the third?
Our world runs on a time schedule, and the schedule is so tight there are schedules for everything that we do.
We live in a cycle, seeing so much in circles and more circles.
We're travelling as fast as 299,792,458 metres per second.
Believe in the power and beauty of your mind. Oh, never mind. You will not understand the power and beauty of your mind until the lights have faded.
Look for the light.
Look for its significance.
No one questions the universal.
Time to give up on a single explanation.
Maybe it's time to make a simple explanation.
In this black hole, you will see trapped light interacting amongst other matter.
farthest you can observe is the distance that light has been able to travel since the Big Bang expansion began. This distance is so large that it is beyond astronomical, and each universe is merely a small part of larger multiverse.
Our observable universe grows by a light year each year as light from further away has time to travel.
An infinity lies out there, waiting to be seen.
Is there a sign out there somewhere, maybe saying space ends here? Mind the gap? If so, what lies beyond it?
Another possibility is that space is infinite. Matter spins out in a small fractal pattern.
Matter is made of atoms and energy.
In this instance, we are showing you light matter.
No one questions the universal.
In this black hole, are we going to see trapped lights interacting amongst other matter?
Should I speak now?
I think it's time that you should.
Well, there's a bike over there.
If you don't start cycling, then I shall start cycling. But if you cycle, I'll stand.
Light bulb! We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. I said we're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. I said we're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. I'll say it again. We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. I'll repeat. We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 meters per second. We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 metres per second. We're moving as fast as 299,792,458 metres per second.
I am light matter, as in an energy source.
Did you know that particles are particles and they hop from place to place? The probability of a particle moving from one place to another is
determined by the individual weight, the time and the distance between those particles.
I'm not sure that makes sense.
Maybe defining sound would help.
Oh, frequency equals velocity divided by wavelength. Although my mind does not recognise external frequencies as physical sounds or noises. They're known as information energy.
found a reasonable solution.
Maybe it's time to find a simple solution.
It's the one!
Well, we are moving as fast as 299,792,458 metres per second.
But isn't that the speed of light?
Those numbers do indeed represent the speed of light.
Wait. But that doesn't make sense. We are all static.
We are.
Not always.
See, we are moving as fast as 299,792,458 metres per second.
Remember to breathe.
Sorry. Still don't quite know how to take what you've just said.
Well, we are trying to capture the present.
But how?
The easiest way to explain this is through photography.
Oh, yes, we'll do this through long exposure.
I think that matter is a light of a higher density. So does it mean that our bodies are made out of light?
I know. The speed of light is wavelength times frequency.
It doesn't make sense.
Well, we're cycling, stop cycling, spiralling through the fractals. See, we're stuck in this cycle, seen so much in circles, and slices of light, captured in time.
Ooh, and when we're cycling, we're moving as fast as 299,792,458 metres per second.
Anyways, relating back to photography, the outcome on this image depends on the setting of the camera.
Yes. The lens angle on the camera is of 18 to 55 degrees. The numbers you see at the top begin with the ISO level. In other words, it's the camera's sensitivity to the variable light. This is set to 100.
Then the shutter speed, the length of the camera that has to capture this image. This is set to 10 seconds.
Then the aperture. This is set to 5.0. Similar to the pupil of an eye, the aperture expands within the lens, allowing light to travel into the camera body. Are you ready over there?
Yeah.
All right. I'm not. 1 second. Okay, you're obstructing with your light over there. You need to move away. Thank you very much. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You now perceive slices of light captured in a slice of now.
In the blink of an eye, we have captured the present. 10 seconds of movement, motion of light frozen in time.
I still don't understand. You're saying our bodies are made out of light?
Ah, you still don't get it?
No.
Let's try it again. Focusing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ah, yes. The explanation is long. Sometimes you're in front, sometimes you're behind. Though we are only halfway through, so let's continue.
I still don't understand. If our bodies are made out of light, how do we move?
Joints occur where two bones meet. They help make the skeleton flexible. Without them, it would be impossible to move.
Maybe explaining it through swing dancing would be all right. So, you're a blue photon, okay?
Yeah.
And we are all red photons.
Yes.
So, we don't work together, we don't have partners, and we work as an individual.
I see that.
Yeah, so using quantum physics and the protons, we can work together cooperatively.
Yes.
And once we are entangled, which is a long and complicated process, we then are able to do better measurement.
What?
Why swing dancing? Well, with swing, one movement leads right on to the next. Similarly with atoms, all around the world.
matter is the light of a higher density. Therefore, our physical bodies are made out of light. Now, isn't that a great discovery? It's all starting to make sense.
I get that, but how does this all relate to time?
Ah, well. We, as in all of us, are considering the subject of time and the whole concept of the future. And the point of departure that I would like to suggest, the point of departure that we would like to suggest to you is that time is a social institution and not a physical reality.
Okay.
But there is no such thing as time in the natural world, the world of stars, clouds and mountains and tides. But there is, however, such a thing as rhythm, a rhythm of waters, a rhythm of biological processes, and a rhythm of sound, which we will explain to you later. But time as such is a man-made convention.
I get that.
In the same way that language is, the concepts are.
Yeah.
And the numbers, and all measurements, inches, meters, lines of latitude and longitude, all these things are hypothetical construct or convention.
The word convention, from the Latin convenire, to come together, to agree about something, and thus, in its deteriorated sense, when we say something is purely conventional, that is to say, we need to take this seriously.
Oh, okay.
Well, are we going to take time seriously? That is the big question, and it depends what you mean by time. If you don't know that time is a convention, well, of course you take it seriously. And you are driven by time.
understand.
Maybe this will help.
So that's time and light and sound, which are all rhythms.
Are you following?
I get that and I understand that, but do you have more? I still don't understand the full thing.
All right, more photography.
So, in order to show this, we will be doing something called a slow sync flash. The image will be frozen in time and continue to capture for another 4 seconds. Are you ready?
Not quite yet, I just got here. Okay, my battery is low, so we're gonna have to be fast. Like, so this is, okay. And 4 seconds. All right. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now you can see that we've taken 4 seconds of your time and froze it to create an image.
This image will be with us infinitely.
How does it all connect together though?
Time passing is like a unique code.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Flying high and shaking hands. Time will right get you, you don't ride it. We didn't mean to cycle on, it was rhythm that created us. We were swinging, we collided, deadlines, for that I'll always make time. I just wanna know that time moves at your own pace. In the meantime, after all the great times, I just wanna show that time is ticking by. When the clock moves on and the people gone, we'll still be there to make time. When the lights go out and the house lights on, we'll still be there to make time. When the lights go out